Hi, in this video I will show how to install and use application for creating KML file from Excel. You can see on my computer I have Excel file. I can open it with Excel Mobile. I don't have Excel installed. Excel Mobile is a free version of Excel. It's not allowing me to change anything, but I can see what is inside file. And you can see inside file I have a placemark name, which is this column, and it contains this name of placemarks. Placemark description, which is some description, and longitude, latitude, and altitude. These two fields, longitude and latitude, and placemark name is required to create KML placemark file. Any other fields are not required. You may have a different Excel, it doesn't matter, but as soon as you have three columns, placemark name, longitude and latitude. Altitude is we can just put it 0 in there. It's fine. It will be displayed correctly on Google Earth or on Google Maps. So alright, so to install application, I will visit this website. I will link on the site in the description. And to download, I will click on search and type KML. And I need KML placemark from Excel. And I click on download. And wait until archive will be downloaded. I will be recording more videos on graphical formats, KML formats, and KMZ formats. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to see more application like this, please like this video. Yep, we are waiting for archive to be downloaded from Google Cloud. Yep, you can see archive has been downloaded. I'll click on downloaded archive to open it. Click on MSI, double click on MSI inside archive and click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher from Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install. Click on yes and click finish on file screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer, KML placemark from Excel. And I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now, before I will do any conversion, I need to close Excel file. So if you have Excel file with your placemarks still open, please close it before adding it to application, because Excel is locking exclusively files, so no other application can access it when it's open in Excel. So it's important to close it. If you have still open, close it. I did close it mine. So now if you want to see my file I'm trying to convert in this example, you can download it by clicking on this download input file example menu. Just click it, it will be downloaded to your computer. So conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1, I will select placemark Excel file. I'll click on this input file, navigate to my placemarks, my places, right? Click on open, click on next. Step 2, I will have to match a column from Excel to KML form. On left side, I have a KML column. On right side, I have a column to Excel. So the most important are name, which is placemark name. In my case, you may have a different, but as soon as you know that this column contains placemark name, you can specify it and it will work. Then description. It's also optional field. You can skip it, or I have a description in mine, or you can select placemark name into description as the same. And latitude column is called lat. A longitude called long in my Excel. Your Excel may be different, but as soon as you specify correct columns, it will work. And altitude column, I have altitude, but it's empty. I will add altitude time. There is no time in mine. So I'll just click next step, and then final step I'll click run to create KML. And it's asking me for name and location. Let's call it my places KML. And it's saved. Now let's go to my maps, google.com. And let's open untitled map. and import my KML, browse my places. And you can see all my data has been imported. I have all my places from Excel file showing on a map. So yeah, basically that's it. We have our KML file created from Excel with it's placemark KML. There are I want to mention that KML is container which could contain different data in it. In this case, we created only KML placemark, which is point of interest thing. It's not like track. It could be track. It could be polygons. It could be like areas in KML, because KML is basically container, contains a lot of information. But in this case, we created placemark KML. So yeah, basically that's it. If you'd like to see more application like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And if you have any questions, you can always leave them in comments. Thank you.